Luke, if you're an investor or a first-time home buyer, what are you looking for in a property?
Well, the number one thing for me is going to be location, right? I want to be on a quiet street filled with houses that are probably nicer than mine, but I also want to be within walking distance to great amenities, right? Shops, stores, restaurants, transit, all kinds of things, especially if I'm going to be building an investment property, but also if I'm a first-time buyer looking for something for me, I want that kind of space, right? I also want something that's going to be unique and have a modern architecture, something that I can put my own stamp on, but I'm going to be able to make look my own and look really cool.
Wow, Luke, that's quite the wish list, but we've got you covered. For all that and more on today's episode. Luke, you know me, I'm a sucker for some interesting architecture, and does this one have it?
Absolutely. I'm looking at this, just thinking of all the cool things I can do if it were me. I'm picturing a black facade with some cool wood trim by the door, maybe some landscape lighting. This has the definite possibility to be super unique and super interesting.
It absolutely does. Let's head inside and take a closer look. This main floor has my creative ideas flowing. With an oversized breezeway, it would make a perfect laundry and mudroom combination. And this room, I'm envisioning taking this wall down and making an amazing living, dining, and kitchen combination.
What I can't get over is the size of these bedrooms and this full wall of windows in almost all of them, which again have recently been replaced in the last few years. A little paint, a little flooring, and you're going to be calling this home in no time. Julie, we talked about moving walls and all kinds of potential inside, but tell us about the things we can't see on this one.
You know, Luke, some of the big ticket items have been done here for you. So you've got newer windows, newer doors, and a newer furnace, which leaves lots in the budget to get creative.
Absolutely, and creative we shall, right? I know we already talked about the cool angles and stuff on this facade, but the more I look about it, the more ideas I have. Can you imagine having a rooftop patio over top of the breezeway here? I have personally always wanted a home with a rooftop patio, and this place would lend itself perfectly. Imagine sitting up there having a cocktail or a coffee. What could be better?
Luke, that would look amazing. We're the Knowles Woolsey team, and we know Simcoe County. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.